Presenting DigiTek 260 Gorilla Tripod, designed with anti-slip and anti-crack, and it comes with 360-degree rotation. The box includes DigiTek 260 Gorilla Tripod, Bluetooth remote, mobile holder. This 13-inch tripod weighs 150 grams and has dimension 29 by 6.7 by 5.5 centimeters. This DigiTek Gorilla Tripod type view. This tripod is portable and the ABS makes this tripod lightweight and durable. It comes with load capacity of 1 kilogram and height can be extended up to 240 millimeters. It has 10 sections and also comes with head with adjustable pan and quick release button.
Hello my dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox portable tripod from DigiTek. It is very useful for content creators. I purchased this from Amazon under 500 rupees. Link in description. Watch this video till end and please subscribe to my channel. This tripod is from DigiTek brand model, number DTR 260 GT, and the features are head with adjustable pan flexible plastic legs, mobile phone holder with Bluetooth remote. A mobile holder with adjustable head. Bluetooth remote with battery. And the tripod. You can connect this remote to your mobile and you can take pictures and you can pause and start your video recordings. Thank you for watching this video till end. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe this channel and encourage us to make more videos.